Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 27th of May, 2015, second day of the week because Monday was the Memorial Day holiday. We did sell off Tuesday. We got a gap down. You'll see when we show you the intraday action, and then it pushed lower. Basically traded average daily range for the first time in a while. That's despite the gap, which did not fill. So here's what the ES front month futures daily chart looks like, and we talked about the fact that this breakout, quote unquote breakout, that occurred 2 Fridays ago and on very light volume for options expiration and got no follow through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday of last week. It just got no legs. And you can't have a cup and handle over 8 weeks like this and then break out on no volume and nothing happens and expect there to be no consequences. And so the reality is, as I've been saying the whole time, this doesn't look like a good breakout. Looks like we're going to fall back, and we have now rolled over. For the day, for the session, the S&P lost 22. Here's the NDX. That's the NASDAQ 100 index, lost 54. The SOX was down just 5 points, which isn't a big deal, still holding above the 10-day moving average. Biotechs were down 40, still holding above the 10-day moving average. Google lost 7. Most of the tech stocks were down pretty good. Look at Apple, lost almost 3. We had a nice trade in Apple. The VIX finally popped up 1.93, almost 2 points on the VIX. Crude oil headed up, headed down actually, closed at 58.03. And the gold contracts were down 13.8 bucks. The trend closed at 1.19. The 10-day moving average of the trend is now pretty high, so we never got that danger signal on the trend. Volume, however, was only 1.5 billion shares on the NASDAQ. It actually shows 1.6 all told, but still we're in that cluster that we've been in the last couple weeks of volume. Nothing super exciting. All right, let's look at the intraday action in 5-minute candles. Again, you can see we gapped down and shot lower. I got a 13 buy signal, got a little bounce off of that, and then wound our way around in the afternoon, came back up, and still closed at, you guessed it, the purple line, the VWAP for the session. So we did leave that gap behind on the ES. Here's the NQs, also left the gap behind there, also closed amazingly on the VWAP. It's remarkable when that happens. Not much else to say. Again, if this is the start of a move to the downside and we get some volume pickup, then Wednesday and Thursday could be the exciting days that we wanted them to be and the better trading days of the week. Friday, keep in mind, not only is it a Friday, which is usually a little slow, but it's also the last day of the month because we've got Saturday and Sunday. Sunday's the 31st. So Friday's probably going to be pretty light as they print the statements and whatnot. But hopefully Wednesday and Thursday can give us some action. In terms of economic data, we don't have much on Wednesday. We've got just a mortgage number at 7 a.m. Eastern time. Thursday, we've got the initial and continuing jobless claims. That's the weekly number. Pending home sales, natty gas, crude oil inventories. Friday, we've got the second look at GDP for the first quarter, along with Chicago PMI and Michigan sentiment. But like I said, doubtful that's too exciting to the market on the last day of the month and on a Friday. So we'll be focused on Wednesday and Thursday. We'll be calling it in the lab as usual, helping you make some money. Charts brought to you by eSignal. If you do like these videos, please like them on YouTube. It does help us out. Have a great trading day.